Ready for a change of scenery? Fortunately, the great state of Texas offers us a little bit of everything. One unbelievable place in Texas that seems to come straight out of a Middle Eastern fairy tale is Monahans Sandhills State Park in western Texas. In this unique desert environment, you will find yourself completely surrounded by smooth sand dunes of all shapes and sizes. The wind is constantly reshaping the sand dunes, so the environment will be slightly different every time you visit. Activities include picnicking, horseback riding, camping, and surfing the dunes on sand discs, which can be rented at the park headquarters. And of course, you can explore the park's beautiful sand dunes to your heart's desire, as there are no specific paths or walkways to follow. Just go wherever your heart leads you. With a friendly staff, clean environment, diverse desert wildlife, and amazing sights, this place is a must-visit for all nature-loving and adventurous souls in Texas. Located nearby is the Guadalupe Mountains National Park, as well as the nearby Salt Flats, which are directly intersected by US Highway 62. So, if you're headed this way soon, you're in for an out-of-this-world experience. There are so many things to see in the area, so make sure to do your research before coming to ensure that you don't miss anything that you may be interested in. You won't regret it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Hi, this is Mauricio from ExploreRC. If you liked my content, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And you can also follow me on my Instagram account, ExploreRC. Thanks, and I'll see you on the next one.